Yeah, so now it's the time for the most awaited award ceremony, 40 under 40 alternative investment professionals in India, which is presented by Edelweiss. And so basically the jury has recognized top 40 alternative investment professionals under the age of 40 in India. So now I would like to request our esteemed jury members to please come on the stage. And before that, due to some unavoidable reasons, our jury chair, Mr. Nishit Desai, and our jury member, Dr. Tenmuri, couldn't make it to the event. Let's proceed. So I would like to call Mr. Nitin Jain on the stage, sir, please. Mr. Siddharth Shah, can we please have you on the stage? And our CEO, Mr. Aditya Gadge, could you please come on the stage? I would request our jury members to please share a quick brief on the selection process, nominations, and how was your experience throughout?
So very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you. Just to share a little bit about the rigor of the process, I think we received entries in hundreds. And to just go through the process, I think to read through all those exciting entries was quite an amazing experience. The kind of work that people have done in this space is really, really interesting. And I'm sorry if some of the capable people have missed out in this one. Just to highlight the process, we have focused a lot more on the entry quality. Because we saw in a lot of entries, some of the people who I thought were also deserving did not focus as much on some of the answers that we would have liked. And as we move forward in the years, maybe we can guide them slightly better. But there were quite a few winners, and there were some people who I wish could have been there. So all the best and congratulations to the winners this time. And hard luck to people who couldn't make it, but I'm sure they would make it the next time. So thank you.
I think, thank you, and I think I'd also like to congratulate both IIAF and Edelweiss for really taking this initiative, and I think it was a very engaging exercise, and I think in a way, having seen this industry really evolve, I think it's a very important recognition because it's almost handing over the baton to guys who will be the future of this industry. So to that extent, I think I would like to congratulate everyone who nominated themselves, irrespective of whether you make it to the final 40. But definitely congratulations to the 40 under 40. I think as Nitin said, and the process for the entire thing will evolve, and I think we have been constructively looking at changing that and at least some discussions around that. But we would definitely encourage more and more people to kind of participate, and maybe the awareness of this is probably spreading more, and I think we'll see a lot more turnout. But it was an absolute delight to work with each of the jury members, looking through all those long list of nominations and then filtering out. So I think we really thank you for giving the opportunity, and all the very best to all the winners. Thank you.
So just a quick word from me. When we were conceptualizing this entire initiative last year with Edelweiss, idea was simple. We believe there's so much of interesting work being done in AI space in terms of strategies, structures, initiatives by different companies, not only the fund houses, but also the other stakeholders working in this. And we thought we need a platform which acknowledges individuals, for the outstanding work being done. So this is the second year. The batch of 2018, we had superb talent there, and we were very happy to see 2019 itself also having almost 150 plus nominations, and it was actually very, very difficult to choose 40 out of them. Only thing that we all noticed during the selection process is a lot of people took the questionnaire very, very casually. So the answers were not given properly or just links were provided. So I thought if a better articulated answers could have really made some difference to the eventual results, if not, a lot. But I believe this is something next year we would want all the nominees to take, care of, that take the questionnaire seriously. If you're not understanding a certain question in terms of what the jury is looking for, feel free to call us up and, ask what exactly is required. That will only make the things more exciting, at the jury level to select. Other than that, congratulations to all the winners today, and you'll be receiving your social media banners very, very soon. So please keep tweeting. Audience, I'll request all of you to please encourage the guys who are going to win today, by tweeting about them, by talking about them on the social media. We've got, a couple of hashtags, IAIS19 and 40 under 40. Please use it generously, and help us basically, promote this platform and encourage more and more talent that is coming up. I'll also request the winners and the jury members after the ceremony to please sign this board. As a memoir, we're going to use that going forward. So Archana, can you please take it over and announce the winners?
So this is the most exciting part of the day, where I'll be announcing the 40 names. Can I request our first winner, Mr. Abhinav Jain, the partner at Gaja Capital? Can we please have you on the stage, please? A big round of applause for Mr. Abhinav Jain. Our next winner, Mr. Aditya Arora, principal at GEF Capital. Can we please have you on the stage? A big round of applause for him. May I request Mr. Nitin Jain to please give him the award? Congratulations, Mr. Aditya. Mr. Aditya Jha, the partner at Trilegal. Can we please have you on the stage? Let's not stop applauding. Mr. Amit Agarwal, the Executive Vice President at Edelweiss Alternative Asset Advisors Limited. Congratulations. Amit Agarwal. A bigger round of applause for all these winners. Congratulations, Mr. Amit. Mr. Amit Mantri, Managing Partner at 2.2 Capital. Can we please have you on the stage? We'll be soon having our lunch. Let's not stop applauding. Big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. Mr. Amit Mehta, the principal at IIFL Asset Management Company. Can we please have you on the stage? Let's not stop applauding, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, Mr. Amit. Mr. Amit Saxena, the Senior Vice President of Products at IDFC Asset Management. Mr. Anand Vardarajan, the Head of Global and Alternate Investment at NJ India Invest. Congratulations, Mr. Amit. A big round of applause for him. Mr. Anand Jatia, the founder and CEO of Greenland Investment Management. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations, Mr. Anand. Mr. Anirudh Sarkar, the Principal of Fund Manager Equity at IIFL Asset Management. Can we please have you on the stage? A big round of applause for him. Congratulations, Mr. Anirudh. Mr. Ankit Shah, the team lead of Asia Pacific at Invesco Asset Management. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations, Mr. Ankit. Mr. Ankur Maheshwari, the CEO at Equirus Wealth Private Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Ankur. Mr. Anshul Dave, the CEO and Managing Partner at Oceans Bridge Financial Advisory. Can we please have you on the stage? Mr. Ashish B. Fafadia, who is a partner at Bloom Ventures. Mr. Bihari Lal Deora, the Director at Abacus Asset Manager. A big round of applause for him. Congratulations. Ms. Chavi Mudgal, the Co-Founder and Executive Director at Sign Capital Private Limited. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations, Ms. Chavi. A big round of applause for her. Mr. Divaspati Singh, the partner at Khaitan & Co. Can we please have you on the stage? A big round of applause for him. Let's not stop applauding today. Congratulations. Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, the co-owner and portfolio manager at Metis Capital Management. Can we please have you on the stage? Mr. Gautam Kain, investment principal at the Capital Partnership. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations, Mr. Gautam. Mr. Mukesh Tiwari, the director at Actis Asia Real Estate Private Equity. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations, Mr. Mukesh. A big round of applause for him. Mr. Nikhil Gupta, the head of asset allocation at Client Associates. Congratulations, Mr. Nikhil. Mr. Neeraj Dedwania, the head of corporate development and investor relations at Healthcare Global Enterprises. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations. Mr. Neerav Prakash Shah from ARP Investments. A big round of applause. Let's not stop applauding, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Pranav Gupta, the Vice President at Carpe Diem Capital Partners. A big round of applause for him. Mr. Prashant Mishra, the founder and CEO at Agnim Advisors Limited. Ms. Priyanka Agarwal, CEO and co-founder at Wishberry and Wishberry Films. A big round of applause for him. Congratulations, Ms. Priyanka. A big round of applause for her. Mr. Rahul Tadimalla, founding partner at RSVP Capital Advisors. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations. Mr. Raj Shah, the Associate Director at Kotak Investment Advisors Limited. Can we please have you on the stage? A big round of applause. Congratulations. Mr. Ravi Saraugi, the Head of Investor Relations and Products at Northern Arc Investment Managers Private Limited. Congratulations. A big round of applause. Mr. Rahim Roy, the Principal at Omnivore. Congratulations. Mr. Rishi Aswani, the Director of Alternative Asset Advisory at Duff & Phelps. Can we please have you on the stage? Ms. Rucha Joshi, the Associate Director Legal at Edelweiss Alternative Asset Advisors Limited. A big round of applause for her. Mr. Sarvesh Gupta, the Chief Investment Officer and Founder at Maximal Capital. Can we please have you on the stage? Mr. Savi Kumar Jain, Fund Manager at 2.2 Capital Advisors. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations. Mr. Siddharth Parekh, co-founder and senior partner at Paragon Partners. Can we please have you on the stage? A big round of applause for all of them. Mr. Siddharth Shantilal Jain, the director at Munot Hedge Fund. Can we please have you on the stage? Big round of applause, guys. Congratulations. Ms. Sohini Mandal, the associate partner at Novojuris Legal. Mr. Venkatesh Prabhu, Senior Vice President at Beacon Trusteeship Limited. Can we please have you on the stage? Let's not stop applauding today. Mr. Vishnu Bodapati, the CEO and founder at Hedge Loop Technologies Private Limited. Mr. Vishweshwaraya K from Morningstar. So Mr. Abhinav Jain, the partner at Gaja Capital, is here. Can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations. Mr. Anshul Dave, CEO and Managing Partner at Oceans Bridge Financial Advisory. Congratulations. Mr. Ashish Fafadia, the partner at Bloom Ventures. Congratulations to all the winners, and I would request all the winners to please come on the stage for a group picture. All the winners on the stage, please. So after this, we have a panel discussion. So I would request all of you to please be seated once the picture is clicked. Yeah. If any of the winners have missed on signing the board, you may please head towards your right once the picture is done.